Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, big massive welcome to my channel. Right guys, Fancy Fold Thursday episode 2, so second tutorial. Well, tutorial is more like a showcase, to be fair. So apologies for shakes, but I'm holding the camera with my hands. It's not on the tripod. You can see my tripod there. This is a pop-up card. It stands itself like this. This is an original design. I was just playing with some cardstock and I came up with this idea. Now, as you can see, some of the butterflies are still wet, so some of the stars are still wet, so I just don't want to touch it much. But this is what the card looks like. It's basically this. Let me just move that aside. So that's the template, guys. Very, very simple. So you just simply fold it and it falls flat. Oh, it's hard now because I've got the camera in my hand, but it falls flat like that. And when you open it, you stand it. Now, this is a really thin cardstock. The black one is really thick. So for this project, I probably recommend at least 200 GSM, because when you fold it, you want your card to stay up like this. Now, you can mount this into a card base, so you can put that, just literally glue this and the back into a card, so when it opens like this. Or, as I said, it stands perfectly up itself, so you can just simply leave it like that. Okay, I will put all the dimension in a template that I'll show you on the screen now. This is the template, guys. I just finished it, made it on Photoshop, and I just added a few roses for you guys to fussy cut. So this is a PDF in A4, so it's very, very big. Quickly, let me show you what I've used. I used some Stampin Up paper, and what I did with the stars there, because this band here is 8 inches and this paper here is at 6 inches, so I thought, I don't have anything to actually fill that space. So I used a pink cardstock as a base, and then with my star punch, this is an old Hobby and Craft star punch, really, really small. I literally just punches all the stars and pop it in there. And that's the bit of scrap that I've got left over. So there is a bit of, I wanted to make something really pink, really like quite over the top on purpose. Hence why the final card is really, really busy. And might not be on everybody's taste, but I personally like it. Remember, guys, last week I showed you how I made this easel card. If I created these templates, again, they are easy to download. You can find them on my Facebook group, which I will put the link in the info box. Guys, I'll show you where you can find the files. If you're on a computer like myself, you simply click on More and then Files, and you will see all the PDF that I will upload weekly. Right guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe and well.